environment in which the Earth lives is hazardous. Asteroids and comets are two examples of cosmic bodies that frequently collide with our planet. A few of these can be concerning, but the most are too little to be a problem. How likely it truly is for an object to collide with the Earth and whether or not governments are paying enough money to do so. One needs to be aware of the existence of near-Earth objects in order to find the solutions to these problems. Only an estimated 40% of the larger ones have been tracked by NASA up to this point. Surprise asteroids have come to Earth in the past, and they will continue to do so. What level of readiness will humanity have when they do appear? Hello everyone. This is AWZ. Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. The Sun is orbited by millions of objects of all sizes. Asteroids and comets that will pass within 120 million miles, 193 million kilometers, of the Sun are examples of near-Earth objects. If an object will pass within 4.6 million miles, 7.4 million kilometers, of Earth and measures at least 460 feet, 140 meters, astronomers will classify it as a dangerous near-Earth object. The destruction of an entire city and severe regional damage might result from a cosmic body of this size crashing into Earth. 0.6 miles, 1 kilometer, or larger objects have the potential to have an international impact and even trigger mass extinctions. The Yucatan Peninsula was struck by the most well-known and damaging impact, a 6-mile, 10 kilometers wide asteroid, 65 million years ago. It wiped off the majority of the Earth's plant and animal species, including the dinosaurs. The first asteroid, 600 miles in diameter, was unintentionally found by Giuseppe Piazzi in 1801 when he was drawing a star chart. It was located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. These objects are numerous and are scattered throughout the vastness of space, with the majority of them residing in the main asteroid belt, which is the area between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Some asteroids can also be discovered in other locations, such as in planets' orbits, while others seem to zoom through space in an uncontrolled state. While some asteroids are the same size and shape as others, some are more pronouncedly rounded and irregularly shaped. Some might be as tiny and unharmful, however, some have been noted as in a single series. Smaller things, however, have the potential to do serious harm. Over the Tunguska River in Siberia, about 164-foot, 50-meter, celestial body erupted in 1908. Over 830 square miles, more than 80 million trees were uprooted, 2,100 square kilometers. 20 miles, 32 kilometers, above Chelyabinsk, Russia, an asteroid only 65 feet, 20 meters, large erupted in the atmosphere in 2013. Over 1,100 people were hurt, and the damage was estimated at $33 million. It discharged energy comparable to 30 Hiroshima bombs. Asteroid 2005 ED-224 is the following large asteroid that may collide with Earth. There is around a 1 in 500,000 possibility of an impact on March 11, 2023, when the 164-foot, 50-meter asteroid passes past. Although space agencies from all over the world try their best to learn more about what occurs outside of our planet, outer space remains one of the most unknown things to humans. One of the top space agencies in the world, NASA, has a system called Sentry that meticulously tracks asteroids and assesses the likelihood that any could strike Earth in the next 100 years. The asteroid 2009 JF1 has been deemed possibly hazardous by the American Space Agency. In fact, Based on its size, distance from Earth, and speed of approach, it is ranked as the fifth most dangerous star in the universe. Only by anticipating a tragedy can it be avoided, and asteroids have been known to sneak up on Earth in the past. In 2019, a football field-sized asteroid known as the City Killer traveled fewer than 45,000 miles from Earth. A 747-sized asteroid approached in 2021, and a 0.6-mile, 1-kilometer, broad asteroid did the same in 2012. Only a day or so before they crossed Earth, each of these was found. According to research, one cause could be that the Earth's rotation causes a blind area where certain asteroids go undetected or seem to be stationary. Given that some unexpected asteroids do not miss us, this could be an issue. Only 19 hours before a tiny asteroid in 2008 struck a remote area of Sudan, astronomers discovered it. Additionally, the recent discovery of an asteroid with a diameter of 1.2 miles, 2 kilometers, implies that there are still large objects out there. Early detection is essential for shielding the world from cosmic threats. Scientists advised a minimum of 5 to 10 years of planning ahead for a successful defense against dangerous asteroids at the 2021 Planetary Defense Conference. There are 4 strategies to prevent a catastrophe if astronomers discover a hazardous asteroid. The first concerns local emergency response and evacuation procedures. Another strategy would be to send a spaceship to pass by a tiny or medium-sized asteroid. The gravity of the spacecraft would gradually alter the asteroid's orbit. We can either crash something into a larger asteroid at great speed or blast a nuclear bomb nearby to alter its trajectory. These concepts might seem far-fetched, but in November 2021, NASA launched the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART, the first full-scale planetary defense mission, as a proof of concept. There is no immediate danger to Earth from the huge asteroid Didymos or its tiny moon. NASA intends to alter the asteroid's orbit in September 2022 by hurling a 1,340-pound, 610 kilograms, probe toward Didymos' moon at a speed of about 14,000 miles per hour, 22,500 kilometers per hour. It's crucial to understand the composition of dangerous asteroids since it could affect how well we are able to deflect them. The diameter of the asteroid Bennu is 1,620 feet, 490 meters. On September 24, 2182, its orbit will bring it perilously close to Earth, with a 1 in 2,700 probability of a collision. Because an asteroid of this magnitude might wipe out an entire continent, NASA sent the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft in 2016 to investigate Bennu. In 2023, the spacecraft is scheduled to return to Earth after visiting Bennu, taking images and collecting samples. We can rest assured, though, that any larger asteroids with a risk of causing harm would be identified and tracked far earlier, much like how the Doomsday asteroid was discovered in the 2021 movie Don't Look Up. However, the arrival of 2009 JF1 offered the planetary defense community a rare chance to test its skills and shown that we are well equipped to precisely follow asteroids' paths, according to the statement. This is all for today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned with AWZ.